You got Joey.
Your little family.
Bobby, can you move a bit so I can get the other one? Come on, have some bread.
Come on, little Delia. Get some bread. Come on. Come on. Eat some bread.
Come on. Hi, Mama.
Come on, Mom. Come on, Mama.
There's something in your pouch.
Get the baby, yeah? Hey, baby. Doesn't take much to start with.
Hmm. You're eating the bread, the big one?
No, it's a cinnamon. That was like eating bread. He had a bit of bread, but not eating grass.
Hmm.
He did get some bread. He might find some more. Get back.
Hmm.
Said he's going to come in and get some bread.
Hi.
You got much more bread there, mate. You got more bread.